The deep margin elevation band from Garrison is a specialty Tafelmeyer retainer. One side is coated with a non-stick coating, the other side is plain. The exaggerated curvature helps the matrix band slide more deeply in approximally. This sharp angle allows it to slide down the neck of the tooth much more simply. So we're going to place this around the tooth. Going to tighten it up. There we go. And you can see how it is slid subgingivally. This is the first step of a two-step restoration. It's important to seal the matrix band against the tooth very firmly. So you could pack a piece of cord, you could take a piece of Teflon tape, place it in there, and pack it in place to seal that band against the tooth. Or if possible, if the restoration is not too deep, you can place a wedge. You just want to make sure you don't crush the matrix band. And now we've got a very good seal all the way along there.